Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Alex. You can see also my Instagram down below if you wanna check me out there. Today you're gonna be able to see some street photography that I did in London, and actually I am really proud because I came up with a new preset and I actually really like it. There's some things to perfect, and also the pictures that I have taken, they're not really, let's say, thought. They're literally more like, I see this, I'm gonna capture this and hope for the best. So yeah, if you are into, let's say, photography, street photography, and you don't really mind, let's say, a bit of blurriness into the image, well, stick around. Anyways, without any further ado, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you in a bit. Oh my god, that's so cool. Thank you. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I will make a new one and it's gonna be much better, be more planned. Please leave a like because that's gonna help me a lot with the algorithm and it's gonna help me make these videos and it's just gonna motivate me, to be honest. Also remember, if you do enjoy this content, to subscribe because I'm gonna be uploading more videos like this. And also I have some tutorials, I think linked here below, or if not on one of the cards above. And you're gonna be able to learn how to edit some of your pictures and also let's say tips and tricks about photography, lighting. Also talking about lighting, soon I'm gonna be uploading a video how to light your videos just like this. And yeah, I think that's all of the spam. Yeah, enjoy your day and we will see each other in the next video. Is it in the next video or on the next video? I have no idea. I try to learn English every day, even though I've been in the UK for almost 9 years. There's still some things I need to learn. Anyways, yeah, goodbye.